Hello. In the last class we did adjectives formation. Now today I am doing nouns formation. This is from Junior English book 4, page number 15. Here it is written, see, verb noun, verb noun. It means from verb we are forming noun. Abolish, abolition, advise verb, its noun is advise. Only C and S there is the difference. Choose, choice, complete, completion, decide, decision, explain, explanation, favor, favoritism, improve, improvement, pronounce, pronunciation, accuse, accusation, astonish, astonishment, complain, complaint, deceive, deceit, destroy, destruction, explode, explosion, imagine, imagination, inquire, inquiry, pursue, pursuit, satisfy, satisfaction. Here after this it is written the nouns here are all abstract nouns. They are the names of ideas and feelings. Already we have uploaded a video about nouns. There you will find there are 5 types of nouns, and among them abstract noun is one. Without this I have discussed in several times. When I discussed brighter grammar, there we found nouns, and that time we discussed about abstract nouns. So abstract noun is actually one type of name which one we cannot contact with our 5 sense organ. It's just idea or feelings, and sometimes this feelings is not depends on 5 sense organ. Feelings, I have discussed it. If you think or if you tell to other people that you are feeling headache, so that time this headache is a noun, headache is an abstract noun, but this is not the matter to get any kind of feeling with the 5 sense organs. So I have discussed a lot about abstract noun. You can watch that. I am giving its address in the description. So here one exercise we have found, that is a number exercise. It's written, copy these phrases inserting in the spaces the nouns formed from the verbs in bold type. So here see, lively, imagine. I am not going to say it, you have to keep it, remember, you have to memorize this, because in your future life in several times you have to use these words. So right here, imagine, its noun is imagination. So here we will write a lively imagination. 2 numbers, sound dash, here advice. So I should make its noun. Its noun is advice, advice, but one is different from this one, that is here as we have to add here C. So this is a noun of advice, sound advice. A violent dash, explode. So here it will be what? Explosion, a violent explosion. Next one, words spread dash destroy is here. So word spread, destruction. You can watch it from this place, but first time you will do by yourself after memorizing or keeping it, remember, then you will match with my one. Here see, blatant favor. So what will be? Its noun is favoritism. So I am writing it. Favoritism. After R, here is I. Next one, complete dash astonish. So here it will be astonishment. A sensible dash, here it is decide. What will be? A sensible decision. Next one, 8 number, correct dash pronounce. Here it will be pronunciation. Next one, a false dash accuse. It will be accusation. Last one here, 10 number, a serious complaint. It will be a serious complaint. Now B number exercise, here it is written, see, complete each sentence by inserting the noun formed from the verb in bold type. Here see, passengers have a dash of several colors. Here choose, what we will do, choose noun is choice. Here purchasers have a choice of choice, choice of several colors. 2 number, in 1833 an act was passed for dash of slavery in the British Empire. Here it is abolish, we know its noun is abolition, so here we will write abolition. Next one, 3 number, any dash to increase pensions will be welcomed. Here decide, so in this place we will put decision. Next one, he listened patiently to his teacher's dash. Here explain, so in this place we will put explanation. 5 number, the work was done to the customer's dash. Here satisfy, we will write here its noun, and satisfies noun is satisfaction. 6 number, several hunters went in dash of the lion, pursue. Its noun is pursuit, so here we will write pursuit. Next one, 7 number, and dash is a search for truth, knowledge or information. Here inquire, so its noun is inquiry. In this place we will put it in. Inquiry is a search for truth, knowledge or information. 8 number, the work on the new road is nearing dash, complete. So its noun is completion. Here we will write completion. 9 number, dash means making a person believe to be true something which is false. Here deceive, its noun is deceit, and it will must start with capital letter because this is the first letter of a sentence. So here we will write deceit. 10 number, and this is the last one of this page, that is the dash injects written work was amazing. Here improve, its noun is improvement. Here we will put improvement. So we have done again one page today. This is page number 15 and from Junior English book 4. Next day we will do page number 16. There we will do a topic that is other words for said and asked. Today up to this, bye.